Sherwood Park Dodge, and they got next to me is this beautiful 2017 Ram 1500 Sport. Blue in color, has just over 203,000 kilometers. Don't let that scare you though, folks, because this is a gem of a truck. It even has a little bit of 3M on the front. And on the mirrors for you already. Tires are good, side steps, mud flaps. Take a look on the inside here. Comes with heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen. You also get that gorgeous center console, power seats, cruise control, Bluetooth, the list goes on and on and on. You have a hard trifold tonneau cover on the back, as well as a 4 and 7-pin wiring harness and a trailer brake control. If you'd like to see this one up close and personal, if you'd like to come in and ask any questions you might have, just give me a call at 780-246-1103. Once again, Mike Wicks, thanks for watching.